Hi, I'm Amy Stewart. I'm the author of 6 nonfiction books and 6 novels based on a true story. 4 of my books have been New York Times bestsellers, and for 20 years I've supported myself as a full-time working writer. To accomplish that requires a lot of persistence and, just a lot of time pushing through one draft after another of my next book. For most writers, there's nothing more intimidating than that blank page. The act of just sitting down to actually start writing your book takes a certain amount of courage. And I'm not going to lie, it's a long road. But over the years, I've come up with some strategies for getting this done. This class is for anyone beginning a new book project, whether it's your first book or your 14th book. I'm going to show you what I do to write a well-structured, well thought out, and somewhat well-written first draft. And all of these techniques work just as well for rewrites. If you have a first draft already, or just you maybe sort of have made a half start at a new book, and you're realizing that what you need to do is start over and approach it from a new direction, using everything you learned in those early attempts, this class is for you too. My first 2 books were entirely rewritten from scratch after I labored and labored and labored over early drafts that just weren't working. So wherever you are in that process, I created this class to help you get the next draft under your belt. Let's get started.